What's up, everyone? It's Anycast, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something really cool, something with a ton of potential. We're talking about artificial intelligence, or AI. Now, AI's been making waves in the tech world, but here's the thing. It's not just about fancy algorithms and robots. AI is actually a real game changer when it comes to making money. That's right, you heard that right. We're going to break down the top 5 ways you can actually use AI to generate some serious income. We're not talking about some distant future either. These are strategies you can literally start implementing today. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, an entrepreneur, or just someone looking for some smart ways to boost your income, this video is for you. Stick around, because we're about to unlock the money-making secrets of AI. First up, let's talk about automation. Now, AI is all about efficiency, right? It's about getting things done faster and smarter. So think about the tasks you do every day, the repetitive stuff, the things that take up a lot of your time. AI can actually automate a lot of that for you. We're talking things like scheduling appointments, managing your emails, creating social media content, even doing data entry. AI can handle it all. There's a ton of incredible software and tools out there that are powered by AI, and they're designed to streamline your workflow and free up your time. And when you've got more time, you can focus on the things that really matter, like growing your business, pursuing your passions, or just taking a well-deserved break. Plus, let's be real, time is money, and AI helps you save a ton of it. Next up, let's talk about creating products and services that are driven by AI. This is where things get really interesting. We're talking about building the future here. Think about it. AI can analyze massive amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions. Now, imagine harnessing that power to create something totally new. It could be an app that provides hyper-personalized recommendations, a service that automates complex tasks for businesses, or even a physical product that uses AI to enhance its functionality. The possibilities are pretty much endless, and the best part? When you create something innovative and useful with AI, people are willing to pay for it. You're solving real problems and making their lives easier, and that's a recipe for success. Now, if you're not a developer or an entrepreneur, don't worry, you can still get in on the AI action. One word: investing. The AI industry is booming right now, and there are countless companies out there doing some seriously groundbreaking stuff with AI. We're talking about companies developing self-driving cars, revolutionizing healthcare, and transforming the way we interact with the world. And by investing in these companies, you can potentially get in on the ground floor of something huge. Of course, like any investment, it's important to do your research, diversify your portfolio, and all that good stuff. But the potential for growth in the AI sector is undeniable. All right, let's say you're really passionate about AI, you love learning about it, and you're good at explaining complex concepts in a way that anyone can understand. Well, have you ever considered becoming an AI consultant? Seriously, businesses everywhere are looking for guidance on how to implement AI into their operations. They need help understanding the technology, identifying opportunities, and developing effective strategies. That's where you come in. As an AI consultant, you can share your expertise, help businesses navigate the world of AI, and get paid for it. It's a win-win situation. Last but not least, let's talk about building AI-based apps. Now, this might sound intimidating, but it's more attainable than you might think. There are tons of resources and platforms out there that make it easier than ever to develop your own apps. And when it comes to AI, the possibilities are pretty much limitless. You could create an app that helps people learn a new language faster using AI-powered personalized lessons, or an app that analyzes financial data and provides investment recommendations. The key here is to identify a problem that people are facing and use AI to solve it in a way that's engaging, intuitive, and effective. Build a great app and people will come. So there you have it, 5 powerful ways you can leverage the power of AI to boost your income. Whether you're automating tasks, building innovative products, investing in the future, sharing your expertise, or creating the next killer app, AI offers incredible opportunities for those willing to embrace it. It's an exciting time to be involved in the world of AI, and the best part is that we're still in the early stages. As AI continues to evolve, the possibilities for innovation and wealth creation will only continue to grow. Thanks for watching. If you found these strategies helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on making money with cutting-edge technology. See you in the next video.